Hello, everyone. This is Lee Wei-Fan speaking today. I'd like to introduce some advantages of Kinlong shower room. First, let's get to know the shower room by appearance and accessories. There are many types of shower room, but the components of shower room are almost the same. For example, the L-shaped side-hung shower room is mainly composed of glass door hinge, fixing clip, connection tube, rubber strip, water-retaining strip handle, etc. This is another type which called U-shaped sliding door shower room that is composed of glass handle upper or bottom pulley guide rail, rubber strip, vertical mole ion and other components. What are the main features of the shower room? There are four major characteristics. First, dry and wet separation. It can separate the shower area and washing area, so that shower will not affect the washing area. Second, it saves the space. No need a separate shower room. Just by one end or corner of the washroom could be separated as a shower room, which greatly saves the space. Third, it has good warmth retention, especially in winter. The hot air in the water will be retained while taking a shower, so you won't feel so cold. And you don't need to use bath heater, which will be consuming power and unsafe. Fourth, it can be kinds of decoration by different types and colors of shower room, as personal preference. Now let's get to know more about the types of shower room. Now the most common shower room in the market has three types. They are integral shower room, simplified shower room and shower partition. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the three shower rooms respectively? The overall shower room was popular in the past, with multiple functions and good warmth retention, but it is rare now because of its high price, large space occupation and low practicality. The simple shower room can be customized according to the room space, although it has longer delivery, cost-effective, simple to install, and elegant appearance. It is the most widely used product currently. The shower partition is simplified and economical, but it is usually used in low-end hotels due to the anesthetic appearance, poor water resistance, and lower safety level. What are the classification of shower rooms? It can be divided into four types such as sliding door, side-hung door, folding door and linkage door. According to door opening mode, it can be divided into four different appearances such as square, straight, diamond and curved types. It can also be divided into two types as framed and frameless door. Let's get to know the four ways for opening the door. The sliding doors need pulleys and slide ways, which can be upper ones and lower ones for selection. The side-hung door can be supported by hinges or pivot. This is the pivot type. Folding door is the combined application of hinge and sliding rail. The linkage door is usually equipped with double groove of slide rails and pulleys. Compared with common sliding door, it is suitable for bigger door space. Look at the characteristics of door in four kinds of appearances. The square one is the most common and can be used either by side-hung door or sliding door. Straight shape can be used by these four types of door. Diamond type can only be used by side-hung door regularly. Only sliding doors can be used for the curved type usually. Finally, let us get to know the characteristics of framed and frameless door. Framed door has good strength and durability. It is commonly worked by upper-bottom pivot or hinges. Pulley slides can only be used for panoramic doors. Frameless door can be worked by pivot or hinge and pulley slide. Let's check some main scenarios of shower room application. The most widely used scenarios are residential buildings, hotels, hospitals and schools. Lastly, let's get to know the 4 advantages of Kinlong shower room. The 4 advantages are high safety, good service, many choices and equipped with integral facilities. The first advantage is high-level safety. The glass of Kinlong shower room is tempered glass in automobile grade, which has passed CCC safety certification, and we implement the shower room as per highest standard in the Industrial Alliance. We have our own laboratory. The shower room can be delivered only after several items of strict test according to the standards. You can take a look at the test scene of our laboratory. The second advantage is good service. The service of shower room is wide. In addition to contract signing, order placing and payment collection, others including scheme design, on-site measurement, installation and after-sales service etc. are responsible by Kinlong Precision. It greatly reduces the burden of sales team. The third advantage is that we have many choices. Our products have many styles and colors. We have all the mainstream materials, colors and styles in the market. We can also customize some styles and colors according to customer requirements as possible as we can. It is better to invite customers to visit the shower room in the Kinlong Precision Exhibition Hall, which is more intuitive. The various shower rooms can better show the advantages of our shower room selection. If you need more specific types and parameters, you can check our shower room product catalog. Also, you can scan this QR code and collect the e-catalog. This e-catalog does not need mobile phone space. Just use internet to communicate with client conveniently. The last advantage is that we are equipped with integral bathroom facilities. We have a wide range of bathroom hardware and various equipped schemes for the shower room, which can meet demands in different scenarios such as shower rooms, residential, hotel, school, hospital projects, etc. We have the catalog of shower room and equipped bathroom hardware in different scenes mentioned above. This catalog is also creative in the industry, which could better show the advantages of our hardware. Scanning the QR code to get it. In summary, the outstanding advantage of Kinlong shower room are of the safety and elegance.